Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 24th. Only 4 days ago, I shot the first video for this series. We started off some broccoli, which I'll show you the little package right here. So if you go back to the previous video, this is what we started with. Tiny seeds, and we planted them directly into this little Jiffy pellet. Then we covered up all the seeds, I watered it, and only 4 days later, and look at the growth. And I'm going to assume that the success rate was 100%. Look at the amount of plants that have germinated in just 4 days. Amazing. I am very, very impressed. And that shows you something right there, that broccoli is super easy to grow. Just give that a little bit of a spin just so you can see it. A really fast one for today. I will keep you updated on the progress of the broccoli. Bring that in again. I'll just show you the package one more time. I've grown other broccoli. You can see other broccoli videos from previous years on my channel, and you can see the success that I had. Very, very hardy plant. Really good yields, and nothing like fresh broccoli that you've just cut. Oh, amazing. Anyway, there we have it. So really fast video for today. I will keep you updated on this. If you want to see updates on all of my videos this season, make sure you hit that little notification bell if you do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That will keep you updated to any new videos that I upload in the future. And if you love to bake and cook, make sure you check out my large recipe channel on YouTube. That's over at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And the Facebook page that goes with it is at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. So that's it for today's really fast video, and I'll see you next time.